So hey, today I'd like to show you how to import the basic human character I made and connect it basically to the third person character because it is rigged to the Epic Skeleton. And yeah, today I want to show you how it works. So first of all, we gonna start a project. I'm using the engine version 5.3.2 of the Unreal Engine. So I'm just starting the engine and go to games, to third person, and name my project something like Epic Skeleton maybe. And then we can create the project. Takes a couple of seconds. And yeah, now the new project is created, the third person template. What I now want to do is go to my library, to my vault, where all my purchased, you can see I have a lot of assets, mainly free. Oh yeah, by the way, Epic gives away free assets every month, so you should grab them. I'm searching for the basic human. Put it to the Epic Skeleton project, and it asks if I want to put it in there because there were a few files that are already in there, and I just said yes. So I basically have my basic human folder in here now. What I can do now is basically Alt P to play the project. And now we have this basic, standard female character, robot, android, whatever, in the scene running around. What I now want to do is change this character with my basic human character. So I'm going into the third person folder of this example project, go to blueprints, and then double click the third person character. This is the standard character. As you can see, here is the female android. And what I'm just going to do is now go to File and reparent the blueprint. This way, the blueprint of the third person character is derived from my blueprint and not the character class. So I'm searching for BP, and now I can already find it, BP char base. Now click it, takes a couple of seconds. And yeah, this looks horrible, because the character tries to get the skeleton of the female android and also stretches the proportions. So I go to mesh and I search for the male head, which is the base for this character. Yeah, so now this already looks better. It's not as stretched anymore. I mean the shoulders are not perfectly aligned, but all in all it's pretty decent, I would say. I just hit compile and save, and yeah, this should already work now with the character. So if I hit Alt P now, as you can see, the character is in there. You can walk with it, you can jump with it. All the functionality is in place and working. You can also swap the genders already with G, and we swap the hair and the hair color. No problem at all. And in case you only have a skeletal mesh, you can go to the folder where your meshes are located in. In my case, that's basic human and meshes. And you can see the SKM male whole body here. I'm gonna right click on it, go to skeleton and assign skeleton. And here you can see the SK mannequin. It's located in all games characters mannequins. be sure to get the UE5 mannequin. In my case, there's a lot of facial bones in here, which the skeleton is missing, but that's okay. I can just click accept, and here we can see the facial bones. If I want to add them to my basic skeleton, I'm gonna allow that for now. Click OK. And now my skeletal mesh is assigned to the skeleton of the female androids or male androids skeleton of UE5. And when I go now to the third person blueprints and the third person character, I can usually, okay, maybe I have to reparent it again, or reparent it back to the basic character class to make this work, or yeah, as you see it, because then you have to go to the mesh and choose your mesh which you just reassigned. In my case that's whole body, male whole body, and this takes a couple of seconds usually. Let's recompile. Okay, maybe something went wrong. If I hit play, oh yeah, there we go. Now you can see the right mesh in the editor. Of course, now all the functionality of the character blueprint is not in there, as well as the hair and all the other stuff. But that's how you would go about if you only have the skeletal mesh available. Yeah, if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know via email or the Discord. In any case, you have a good day, a good evening, wherever you are. Goodbye.